Here's the question.
The question is 120 divided by open bracket 5 plus 5 close bracket plus open bracket 24 divided by 3 minus 2 close bracket multiplied by 3.
So we know that for these kinds of questions, we apply the famous BODMAS rule according to it. BODMS.
According to the rule, we will solve the brackets first. After that, we'll solve division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction in order.
120 divided by,
if we solve the bracket 5 plus 5, it becomes 10. Now plus, in the bracket, 24 divided by 3 minus 2, bracket close, multiplied by 3. Now let's solve further. 120
divided by 10 plus, let's solve this bracket. In this bracket too, we'll solve the division first, so 24 by 3.
When you divide, 24 by 3 gives 8, so it's 8 minus 2, bracket close, multiplied by 3. Let's solve further. 120
divided by 10 plus, now solve the bracket, 8 minus 2 will be 6. Multiply by 3 now. 120 divided by 10 plus 6 times 3 now. And first we'll solve the division. So 120 divided by 10 plus 6 times 3. 140 will be divided 12 times. Now 12 plus 6 times 3. 6 times 3 will be 18, so 1, 2. 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18 equals 30. This is the right answer.